In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Deploying TinyML course from Harvard, step by step, so you can enroll confidently and start learning without confusion. If you're interested in edge AI, machine learning on low-power devices, or you want to build practical TinyML skills from a world-class institution, this course is a great choice. We'll go through the entire process together, from finding the course on Harvard's website all the way to starting the lessons. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more software, tech, and online learning guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Deploying TinyML Harvard course and press enter. Look for the official Harvard or Harvard-affiliated learning platform link in the results. This is important because you want to make sure you're enrolling through the legitimate Harvard website and not a third-party source. Once you find the correct result, click on it to open the course page. Now that you're on the Deploying TinyML course page, take a moment to review the details. You'll usually see an overview of what the course covers, the skills you'll gain, the instructors involved, and the expected time commitment. This course is designed to teach you how to deploy machine learning models on tiny, resource-constrained devices, so it's especially useful for developers, engineers, and students interested in embedded systems and AI. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the page and click it. After clicking Enroll, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account with Harvard's online learning platform, simply log in using your existing credentials. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account by entering your basic details, such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use an email address you check regularly, since important course updates and confirmations will be sent there. Next, you'll be taken to the Payment and Enrollment Details section. Here, fill in the required personal information and select your preferred payment method. Carefully review the course fee, any available options like certificates, and the payment terms before proceeding. Once everything looks good, complete the payment process by confirming your details. After a successful payment, you should see a confirmation message on the screen, and you'll also receive a confirmation email. With enrollment complete, you can now start the course. Navigate to your dashboard or course library on the Harvard Learning Platform and click on Deploying TinyML to begin. From here, you'll have access to the course materials, including video lectures, readings, assignments, and any hands-on projects included in the curriculum. You can start learning right away and progress at your own pace, depending on the course structure. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and enrolled in the Deploying TinyML course from Harvard. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials on courses, software, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.